There is a gift for you in this video, if you found it. Write in the comments below where you found it and we will send you a private link for another gift as well.
Would you like to create a talking boy like me using PowerPoint? Then stay where you are and learn from my animator.
Thank you, lovely. Here are 6 easy steps we will go through. 1. Get your picture. 2. Open PowerPoint. 3. Insert the picture. 4. Duplicate the picture and create another mouth. 5. Put each version in separate slides. 6. Save your file as MP4. Step 1. Get the character you will animate. First step, go to Google Chrome or any web explorer, and then open freepik.com. Next step, search for any character you'd like to animate. I searched for a cartoon boy character. I found many lovely designs and chose this lovely boy by brgfx. Then I downloaded this file. Don't forget to credit the author for his work. As in the highlighted blue caption, you will find the image folder compressed in the Downloads folder. You need to unzip it before using it. Now you will find the unzipped folder in the same location under the same name. Step 2. Open PowerPoint. Now open PowerPoint. Select all the default text boxes and delete them. Go to the Design tab, and from there to the slide size. Adjust the design slide to portrait to fit our character size. Step 3. Insert the character. Now go to Insert tab. Select the picture of our character. Go to Format. Then remove background. Select Mark Areas to keep. We will mark the areas we want to keep. Any area in purple is an area that will be removed. Now we are done. And our character is with a transparent background. Go to Design, then Format Background and choose a green color. That I'll explain why in the next video. Step 4. Duplicate the character with new mouth shape. Duplicate the boy picture. Insert a freeform shape. Draw a freeform line around the mouth to cover it. Press Enter. Choose the eyedropper. Then choose the skin color of the boy. Then set the shape outline to no outline. Next, insert an arc shape to act as a closed mouth. Adjust it by rotating it till you achieve the desired look. Now change the color of the arc to the color of the original mouth. Select the character, the free transform shape, and the arc and group them. Now you have the same character with 2 versions. Mouth opened and mouth closed. Next, align the 2 pictures, left and top. Step 5. Put the 2 character versions in separate slides. Right-click on the slide in the left pane and create a duplicate. Delete the closed mouth character in the second slide. Now go to the first slide. Select the picture and send it to the back. To delete the backward image from this slide. Now you have the same picture, with a different mouth shape in each slide. Next, go to Transitions. Set the advanced slide after to 0 minutes, 0 seconds, and 15 milliseconds. Don't forget to click Apply to All. Now create many duplicates as you desire of these 2 slides. The more you create, the longer your video will be. Run your presentation now to see the result. Step 6. Save your file as MP4. Save your presentation as MP4. Create a new presentation. Insert the MP4 video we just created. Run the MP4 video and see your character come to life.
Now we are done for this video. Do you want to know how to remove the green background from the MP4 file to be used in your video editor? so you can add any background you desire. Then watch our next video. Stay tuned.
Don't forget to subscribe to learn more tips and tricks for animation and video editing. And here's your gift. You will find the link for the Talking Boy video with a green screen in the description caption below. Don't forget to attribute our channel for the video. And more important, attribute brgfx on FreePic for his great work. You will find a link to the image and how to attribute his work as well. See you in our next videos.